everybody, welcome back to Storytime with Miss Megan and Miss Stephanie. I'm Miss Megan, Miss Stephanie is behind the camera, but I think next week you're going to get to see Miss Stephanie. So this week we are talking about one of my favorite topics. We are talking about superheroes! We had lots of fun reading superhero books with you guys, and we are excited to share our craft with you today. We have two things for you to do. First, we're going to make some superhero masks, because what good is a superhero if you don't have a mask? So in your bag for this, you will find two masks. They will not look exactly like this because there are several different styles. So you get to make two of them. And as you can see, I've started coloring this one in already, and this one is blank. Yours will be blank because you guys get to design them however you want. So I've already started on this one so that we can keep this video pretty short and you guys can get around to creating your own. So I'm just going to finish mine up really quick, and I think that mine needs purple because I really like purple. Okay. So now we have all of our stuff filled in and we have lots of bright colors, which makes me happy. So also in your bag, along with your two masks, you will find 4 pieces of white yarn. You're going to use 2 for each mask. And where there are holes punched in it, you're just going to tie the yarn on, or have an adult tie the yarn on, because that's just fine too. Here we go. Got 1 and 2. And now you can tie your mask over your eyes and behind your head. This won't fit on my head because I cut them for you guys' size. So that is our first craft, is our fun superhero masks. Our second one, and you can wear your superhero mask while you work on this if you want, because it's so fun to be superheroes. We're going to make a little superhero for you to play with. So in your second bag that you got this week, you will find 2 cupcake liners, and they will be different. They will not necessarily look like this, because we had a bunch of different colors. You will find a jumbo-sized popsicle stick and 2 googly eyes. So the other thing you're going to need for this is glue of some sort, and markers or crayons. Coloring pencils might work. We have markers today because I know that those are going to look fun. So the first thing that we're going to do is glue on our googly eyes so we know where the eyes are going to go. A glue stick might work for this, but it might not. I'm not really sure. So you might need Elmer's glue and you might need an adult's help, and that's okay, because one thing that superheroes know how to do is ask for help when they need it. So we now have 2 eyeballs, and that is the beginning of a face. So I'm going to use a black marker to give my superhero a smile, because superheroes are always friendly. And then you can give your superhero any kind of face that you want, any kind of hair that you want, any kind of suit that you want, and because I like to be a little bit different, my superhero is going to have purple hair. I am apparently in a purple mood today, which is good. Alright, so now we have a face and we have purple hair. Now I think our superhero needs a cape. So you have 2 choices of cape, and that's going to be your cupcake liners. And I think today my purple-haired superhero needs polka dots. That is a lot of P sounds. P is a fun sound. So we're going to put some glue onto the cupcake liner, about in the middle. And then you're going to take your popsicle stick, and where you've put your face on him already, you're going to have that side going up, and you're going to glue the opposite side to the cupcake liner, so that your superhero's cape is at his back, just like that. His or her, because girls are superheroes too. Okay, so now he needs a suit, doesn't he? Alright, so we've got yellow in there, and he's got purple hair. So we're going to use yellow and purple and I think green to do our suits. And it can be as complicated as you want or as simple as you want. This is all about having fun and designing your own super cool superhero. So here we go. Give them a purple shirt. And we'll go with some green pants. And a yellow belt for good measure. And there we go. I have a new superhero sidekick to take with me wherever I want to go. You should definitely share, if your parents want, pictures of your craft and your superhero friends, and if your superhero goes on any adventures, we'd love to see those too over on our Facebook page at the Tyrrell County Public Library. And thank you so much for coming to Storytime with us. We had a ton of fun and we look forward to seeing you next week. Bye everybody!